We are continuing to monitor the storms as they develop to our west, Valencia, and we're starting to feel more humid air move in, warmer temperatures. That all feeds into the possibility of some stronger severe storms in the area later tonight. Main time frame, as we mentioned at the top of the show, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. for stronger scattered thunderstorms in our region. 77 degrees with mostly cloudy skies at BWI Marshall now, and the winds are coming out of the southeast. We track moisture in the atmosphere, not only with the humidity at 62%, but the dew point. The higher the dew point goes, the more moisture there is in the atmosphere. You get dew points up into the 60s and summertime 70s, and that really kind of adds to the potential for strong storms. Right now it's in the 70s across Carroll County, Harford County, upper 70s over on the eastern shore. So a nice warm up across the area this afternoon. A couple light rain showers starting to show up on radar from southern Carroll through Howard County. No storms associated with those showers right now, but we widen the view and there's an area of low pressure tracking across West Virginia tonight, and that's triggering some stronger thunderstorms in the mountains off to our south and west, and that's where initially a tornado watch has been issued out in the West Virginia mountains. But notice we are in the yellow shaded area now. That's an upgrade to a level 2 risk for severe storms as that system in the West Virginia mountains tracks into our area, likely to trigger some stronger storms. This is radar right now, and again pretty quiet around Baltimore and the eastern shore. But just in a couple of hours, some of those storms in the mountains will be working their way east. Tornado watch extending from the West Virginia Panhandle through western Virginia and then into the mountains off to our west. Already some severe storms in the higher elevations of West Virginia, and that watch goes until 8 p.m. But it's a pretty good likelihood that another watch will be issued for the Baltimore metro area as the National Weather Service monitors the progress of the storms marching east. So 5% risk in the brown shaded region here of isolated tornadoes and a possibility of heavy downpours that could cause some localized flash flooding overnight as some of the heavy downpours come through. Everybody west of the bay is under that watch through the nighttime hours. Futurecast at 6 p.m. just a few showers. We go between 6 and 8 though, and you notice the thunderstorms really blossoming in our area. Between 8 and 10, the heaviest of the storms shift over to the eastern shore and up into northern Maryland near the Pennsylvania line. And then by midnight, it's just a few scattered showers. So for a few hours from 6 to 10 p.m., stay very alert for the possibility of some strong storms. And also, if you live in a flood-prone area, watch out. If you get some heavy downpours, you could have some localized flooding. Impact weather tomorrow, because some of the isolated storms that pop up tomorrow afternoon could also have some gusty winds or hail. So the weekend's going to get off to a kind of a showery thunderstorm start. But lots of sunshine for Sunday and a big warm-up. We might get close to 90 degrees by the middle of next week.